What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here because today I'm bringing you what's inside my excursion bag. This is the bag that I bring with me on every single vacation to go along with me to my excursions. It could be a water excursion, a beach excursion, a shopping excursion, whatever it is, I keep it in this bag. Anything that I need. So I got your back, girl, and if you're into this sort of video, definitely consider subscribing and hitting that little bell so you're notified every time I post a video. I do a lot of lifestyle, mommy, organization videos here on my channel, and I would just love to have you guys. Now I'm going to be listing everything I can find for you down below, including my website, and I have a new Amazon influencer link that has all of my favorites because let's face it, most of my favorites are all from Amazon. Now if you feel like depositing some positive energies, give your girl a thumbs up. I'd so appreciate it. Even if you guys give me a little emoji or a comment, I just love getting to know you guys, so definitely come say hello. And question of the day is, do you guys have an excursion bag, and what is one item that you absolutely need inside your excursion bag when you go on an excursion? And without further ado, if you guys want to see what I have inside this bag, then just keep watching.
Like a fever, baby, yeah, we're on fire. True believer.
Alright, you guys, this is my bad boy. I got it from Amazon. Now, what was so funny is you guys picked this out. I posted 2 different pictures on my stories on Instagram. If you're not following me, girl, go follow me. But you guys picked this bag out. I had another one, it was like floral or whatever, but I'm so glad I picked this one because it's super easy to wipe clean. So like I said, I'll list everything down below for you guys, but I absolutely love this bag. It is super spacious and really, really easy to use. So we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna try to give you guys a little bit of an aerial shot. I love showing you how I organize because, you know, this is an organization channel. So we will be showing you guys what everything looks like inside. Okay, so some of these items you guys have seen before, but I'm just gonna keep it real and show you guys what's inside my bag. Okay, so the first item is my travel wallet. Now, there's pickpocketers and things when you're traveling other countries. So this goes inside my backpack in the inner pocket. So I'll try to insert an aerial shot for you guys, but it goes in the very back so nobody can get to it because it has passports, extra documents, all my important information goes in here. Now I will just open it up really quickly because I have a whole video. It's on my Amazon travel favorites. This item is there, but this is what I bring with me when I'm going on my excursion. Okay, next up I like to have a wet bag. Now this one's a little dirty because it's used. But in this front little zipper pocket here, I keep one of these towels. And these are one of those super absorbent towels, and I just love having this because if I need to dry my seat off or I need to dry off or something, but it's super small and compact, so I like having that little towel with me. Especially if I'm not going to the beach, it's just, it's easy to not have to deal with that. Now, if I'm going to the beach or something like that, I'll obviously add a giant towel to this bag if I need to, or I'll just bring my backpack and have my little beach bag. So, because I bring a lot of stuff. So in here, I just have my little wrap and my bathing suit. It's super old. I guarantee you it's like years old. I won't be able to find it, but that is all that I keep inside of this little wet bag here. Okay, so the next couple items I've already shown you guys. The first one is my sunglass case. It's 2-sided, which I absolutely love. I always have this inside my excursion bag. And then the next thing is, I've shown this to you guys as well. This is my water bottle that's expandable. And so, you know, like I showed you guys, this wasn't in my beach bag. I'm gonna take the air out. But this wasn't in my beach bag, but it's in my excursion bag because I usually have this on me if we're going to the beach or whatever. So love to have this. Okay, next up, I've also shown this. I carry a little umbrella, this little pink umbrella with me. And also that I cannot find it anywhere, but I always keep my beach blanket. Now I've shown you guys this, but I'll insert another little clip of it if I can find the clip of my beach blanket that I lay out. And I always have it on me in my excursion bag. I feel like there's so many uses for it. You can have a picnic and sit on top of it. You can put it on the sand. You can put it over you if it's raining. Like, there's so many uses. I absolutely love it. But I also bring my umbrella. I'm pretty sure I got these off of Amazon, but I always have an extra pair of like flats with me because even if I'm wearing flats, I feel like sometimes they'll just get uncomfortable or rub in a certain place, and when you switch your shoes, it just makes it a little more comfortable. So, and sometimes I wear heels if I'm shopping and I just want to take cute pictures, but definitely always bring an extra pair of flats with me. I've also shown you guys this on another video, but this is just my shopping bag. I showed this on my Amazon travel favorite, so I won't get too deep into it, but this also goes into my excursion bag. Okay, so in the front pocket, I like to keep hand sanitizer. I just got this one from Walgreens. It was like an Easter one. And then I like keeping some breath mint. So I don't bring a purse because I'm either gonna bring my beach bag and my backpack or just my backpack. So I don't bring my purse with me. I'll put my purse contents like this inside of my bag. So I definitely have to have these guys with me. Okay, so next up, I've shown you guys this stuff before, but I just have my little charger that I can plug into the wall and charge it before I leave, and then plug my cell phone in because I do a lot of pictures and stuff for my phone and a lot of social media. And then I just have all of my little charging cords in here and my SD phone cords. If you guys want to see exactly what's in here, go to my Amazon favorite tech items. It is definitely inside of there so you guys can see all the details of it, but I just stick this in there. I'm just showing you guys all of the things that have to go inside my bag, but I have a couple new things that you guys have never seen before. So I'm super bummed because you guys are not going to be able to find this pattern. I tried to look for it for you guys, but it is not there. This is just a little lunch pail and it folds flat, and I like bringing this if I'm on an excursion and I might need to wait for food. Like, your girl gets hangry, okay? Like, my husband's always like, get the girl a Snickers bar, you know what I mean? So I love having, like if I'm on a cruise, I'll pack a little bit of food. Even if I'm in my hotel room, I'll pack like a few snacks and then I'll bring it with me if I know I'm not gonna get food for a while, or if you're in another country and you don't know what kind of food that you're gonna have there if you're on a cruise. I think it's a good idea to bring something with you if you get hangry like I do. I think a couple down below for you guys are gonna be different patterns. I'm sorry this pattern isn't available, but I'll show you guys some other ones. Next up, if you're on an excursion, because my husband, okay, here's a fun fact about me that you don't know. I hate water stuff. I am severely scared of underwater creatures. No underwater creatures for me. So when I go in the water, I'm in there and I'll do it, okay? Because my husband loves it. He's such a water baby. Like, he loves the water so much. I'll just do it to make him happy. But when I'm underwater, I'm just like, dun-na, dun-na. And I'm just like, there's a shark behind me. I just know there is. And I'm literally even like, I'll be around the fish and stuff. I mean, I'll do it, but I'm just terrified. And like, even when I'm at the lake, I'm scared because I can't see below. And I just swear, I'm like, there is gonna be a fish and it's gonna bite my toes off. I'm Filipino and my toes look like Vienna sausages. So they're just gonna be like wanting to eat my toes or something. So anyways, I'll do the water excursions, but my husband and I both got these to do for snorkeling. So I like this. It's pink. How cute is this? And what's really cool is it comes on the top right here. Whoops. So that way it goes over your face and you don't have to worry about having the piece attached to your nose or whatever. It's so much easier. I absolutely think this thing is so cool. And it comes with like a little bag and all that good stuff. So definitely suggest getting the one that goes over the face. Now the next thing I bring, if we're going like hiking to a waterfall or something like that and I don't want to slip and fall, I always bring, I'll try to find these, but I'm pretty sure last time I looked they didn't have these available. These are Speedo, but what I like is there's a strap. For me, they slide off my feet. I don't know if I just have like an awkwardly shaped foot. I don't know, but they just slide off my feet. So I love having the little strap here. And then I've shown you guys these bags. I love keeping everything, especially like if they're wet or whatever, I can just stick them in this bag and it won't mess up all my other stuff. So, oh, and somebody else was asking, what do I put inside of these clear bags? And this is just a perfect example. I put everything. Anything that I need to put, to have a bag or to keep things clean, I use these bags for. So I have saved the best items for last. I have these two items here and there's a lot of stuff in here. So we're gonna go over this bag first and then I'm gonna get into this bag. I think the way I'm gonna do this one is I'm just gonna take the camera and show you guys what's in it. I think it'll be a lot easier because I like seeing how people organize the stuff. So we'll go and I'll give you a shot of this one, an aerial shot of everything that's inside this one. This is, I would like to call it a bathroom bag, but it is probably an adult diaper bag. So let's just go with bathroom bag. That sounds way better. So this bag has everything, especially if you're in another country or whatever, if you have to use the bathroom and the bathrooms are sketchy or whatever is going on, everything inside of this bag will help your life. And I always keep this in my excursion bag, but this is my bathroom bag. So in this front pocket, I've shown you guys these before. Now, I heard that Cuba, in certain places, I didn't witness it myself, doesn't even have toilet seats. So the places I did go did have toilet seats. I heard even the airport didn't have toilet seats in some of their bathrooms. I don't know if that's true, but the ones that I went to did. So anyways, I bring my own toilet seat covers because a lot of places do not have them. And I was so glad when I had these. So I keep these in here. So when I go to the bathroom, I just bring my whole little bag with me and I'm so good to go. And this, like I said, this whole bag stays in my excursion bag. Okay, so then I have Lysol spray. You can spray it down if it looks really scary or whatever you need to do. This is your friend. Then I have some tissue just in case they don't have any toilet paper. That's important. Then I have some day pads. I like keeping these just in case. And then I have some feminine wipes. So if you're not as fresh as you want to be, you can use these wherever you want to. But we have some wipes in here. Also, gotta have some tampons, and it's nice to have them for, you know, a fellow lady out there that may need them. Then I have these. They're called Just a Drop. Now, before you go to the bathroom, number 2, you drop a couple drops in there and it's like it never happened. So this is your little secret weapon that you can use when you go to friends' houses or whatever. I love having this with me. Now the last thing that I keep inside of here is such a weird little item because it's called the Go Girl, and when you're on the go, you can basically be like a boy and pee like a boy. So basically you take this, it's like a funnel so you can go pee in the woods or wherever you need to go. And you just put it there and pee, and it doesn't go down your leg and it's not as messy. And then it just literally folds back up and you shove it back into the container. So it makes it so much easier when you just have to go somewhere. And what's a really good tip is that beach blanket that I inserted the clip of, hopefully, somebody could wrap it around you and you can squat and pee, and it'll be like your own little bathroom if you have to, if you're hiking or whatever and there's no bathroom. Like, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, right? Okay, you guys are gonna be mad at me because you're not gonna be able to find the same bag, but I will definitely put some comparable ones down below for you. Now, what I like about bags like this is you can organize them and keep everything separate. So in this first compartment here, when you're in another country and you're eating food that you're not used to, you definitely want to bring stomach medication. Now I'm going to open this up. This is not the best container. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. Like, there's better cases out there, but I still have it. Use it. It's pink. I love it. Whatever. So in here I have vitamin C. I have Benadryl. And then you open this side. I have Tums, Tylenol. I have Imodium. And then I have antacid. And then I put what a serving is for an adult. All right, so then I have, this is chafing stuff that you rub between your legs so your legs don't chafe. These are 2 little containers that I got from my Cora subscription, and it just has safety pins and hair ties in here. And this one has bobby pins. Now, some of you are probably wondering why I didn't have this stuff in my beach bag, but now you know, because it all goes in my excursion bag. So hopefully all the dots are connecting, but I have my deodorant, and then I also like to keep one of these on me. You just never know. Okay, so next on this side here, I keep another thing of tissue because just in case we run out, or like I said, for the bathroom, it's good to have these. And then I always keep a little pair of scissors. You can cut meat with this. They're super sharp. That's what they're made for, is actually to cut your toddler's food. But I just like having a little pair of scissors with me. Always have one of these carabiner hooks with me. There's so many things, like I'll hang my purse on things or whatever. I just love these hooks. You can hang your camera on a backpack. And then I always like to have a pen and a highlighter just in case I have to fill out documents or whatever they need if you're in another country, and some lotion. I love that scent from EOS. Okay, so on this little last side here, this is like my little leftover part of my first aid kit, besides the pills. This has, I love that it's flat and it can be really sleek, but it just has a bunch of different like little band-aids and stuff. And then I have a little thing of Neosporin in here. And then I just have some Alka-Seltzer, and then I just have some daytime and nighttime NyQuil. Here's my bag. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside and how everything's organized. That's my favorite part, so I didn't wanna leave that out. Now, if I'm bringing this lunch pail, it's open, it's got snacks in it, and it would be outside of my bag. And I could always use my carabiner to hook it to my backpack if I wanted to be hands-free. And then when it's done, I'll fold it up flat and stick it inside, and I'll show you where I would stick it. So I would just stick it right back here, and now this guy goes on top. Everything closes perfectly fine. So this would go right here, and let me just pull these out so you guys can see what everything looks like, how I like it organized. I like having everything at a glance and in my file folder system. So everything's standing up, you can see everything and grab it super easily. Now, one little thing's missing, like I said, my beach blanket, and that would just go tucked in right here. Now back here, that is where my little wallet goes. There's a little pocket back here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so in the front here, that's where I have the mints and hand sanitizer. And then in this front big pocket, I just have my bathroom bag. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed what's inside my excursion bag. My goal here, like I said, is for you guys to get value from my video. And if you can use anything I showed you here today, give your girl a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for, girl? Subscribe and hit that little bell. Like I said, I'm gonna list everything I can for you down below, including my website and my Amazon influencer link. And don't forget to answer that question of the day. What type of bag do you use? And what is your favorite item that goes inside? And if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Leave me some sort of vacation emoji and let me know that you did. Every time you watch my video all the way through, it really benefits my channel, and I so appreciate you guys. Until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna Marie.